Our planet is a magnificent tapestry, woven together with countless threads of life. An ecosystem is a special part of this tapestry. It is a community where living things and non-living things all exist together. Think of it as a busy, bustling neighborhood. In this neighborhood, plants, animals, and tiny organisms are the residents. They all share the same space. The non-living parts, like the soil, the water in the rivers, and the air we breathe, are the foundations of this home. Everything is connected in a delicate and wonderful way, a grand system of give and take that supports all life within it. The importance of these natural communities cannot be overstated. They provide us with everything we need to survive. The air we breathe is cleaned by vast forests. The water we drink is filtered through wetlands and soil. Our food grows from the earth, supported by countless small creatures that we may never even see. Ecosystems are not just collections of plants and animals. They are living, breathing systems that work tirelessly. They are the life support systems of our world. Understanding them is the first step towards appreciating the profound beauty and complexity that surrounds us every single day. Imagine a vast forest, a deep blue ocean, or a wide sandy desert. Each one is a different type of ecosystem. The forest is home to monkeys, birds, and insects that live among the towering trees. The ocean is filled with fish, whales, and tiny plankton that drift in the currents. The desert, though it may seem empty, supports hardy camels, lizards, and tough grasses that can survive with very little water. Each place has its own unique set of residents and its own rules for living. The connections within these places are what make them so special and so vital to the health of our planet. This intricate connection is a beautiful self-sustaining cycle. Plants use sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil to grow. Animals then eat the plants to get their energy. When these plants and animals die, their bodies break down and return nutrients to the soil. This process enriches the earth, allowing new plants to grow and continuing the cycle of life. It's a perfect system of recycling, where nothing is wasted. Every single element, from the tallest tree to the smallest microbe in the soil, plays a crucial part in keeping the entire community healthy and thriving for generations to come. Nigeria is a country blessed with an incredible variety of natural homes. Its ecosystems are remarkably diverse, a direct result of its unique geography. In the south, you will find dense, humid rainforests. These are some of the oldest on the continent. As you travel northwards, the landscape slowly transforms. The thick forests give way to vast, open grasslands known as savannas. These areas are dotted with trees and are home to a different set of animals. Nigeria also has important wetland ecosystems, particularly in the Niger Delta, which is a maze of rivers, creeks, and mangrove swamps, teeming with life. Let's look more closely at the main parts of these ecosystems. In the rainforests of Cross River State, the living parts include majestic mahogany trees, colorful butterflies, and the elusive forest elephant. The non-living parts are the rich, dark soil, the heavy rainfall, and the warm, humid air. In the northern savannas, like those in Yankari National Park, the living residents are acacia trees, herds of buffalo, and lions. Here, the non-living elements are the sandy soil, the intense heat of the sun, and the distinct wet and dry seasons that dictate the rhythm of life for all inhabitants. The living things in an ecosystem are called biotic components. This includes all the plants, from the tiniest mosses to the giant iroko trees. It also includes all the animals, such as the drill monkeys, the Nigerian Cameroon chimpanzee, and the many species of birds that fill the air with song. Fungi and bacteria, which are essential for decomposition, are also vital biotic parts. They are nature's cleanup crew, breaking down dead material and returning its goodness to the earth. Every living thing has a job to do, a role to play in the great drama of the ecosystem. The non-living things are known as abiotic components. These are the physical and chemical factors that shape the environment. In Nigeria, this includes the powerful sun that provides energy for all plants. It includes the water in the Great Niger and Benue rivers, which quenches the thirst of the land and its creatures. The soil type, the landscape's hills and valleys, and even the air quality are all abiotic factors. These non-living parts determine which plants can grow and which animals can survive in a particular area, creating the unique character of each of Nigeria's precious ecosystems. Within every ecosystem, there is a fundamental connection based on one simple thing: food. This transfer of energy from one creature to another is called a food chain. It is a simple, linear path that shows who eats whom. For example, in the Nigerian savanna, a food chain might start with grass. The grass gets its energy from the sun. A gazelle then comes along and eats the grass. Finally, a lion might hunt and eat the gazelle. In this chain, energy flows from the sun to the grass, to the gazelle, and then to the lion. It is a direct and powerful link connecting all life. However, nature is rarely so simple. Most animals eat more than one type of food. This creates a more complex and interconnected system called a food web. A food web is like many food chains all tangled together. A bird might eat both insects and seeds. A snake might eat a rat, but it could also be eaten by a hawk. This web of connections shows how dependent living things are on one another for survival. If one part of the web is disturbed, the effects can ripple throughout the entire system, affecting many other species in unpredictable ways. This interdependence is what keeps an ecosystem in balance. Each species has a role or a niche that helps maintain the health of the community. Predators, like leopards, help control the populations of herbivores, like antelope. This prevents the antelope from eating all the vegetation. Insects, like bees, are crucial for pollinating flowers, which allows plants to produce fruits and seeds. Even scavengers, like vultures, play a vital role by cleaning up dead animals, which prevents the spread of disease. A balanced ecosystem is a healthy, resilient, and self-regulating community. When this balance is disrupted, the consequences can be severe. Imagine if all the predators in an area were removed. The herbivore population might explode, leading them to consume all the available plants. This would leave no food for themselves or for other animals. Eventually, the soil would erode without plant roots to hold it in place. The entire ecosystem could collapse. This delicate balance is precious. It has been perfected over millions of years. It highlights why every single species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, is important for the overall health of our natural world. Unfortunately, many of Nigeria's beautiful ecosystems are facing serious threats. Human activities are often the main cause of this harm. One of the biggest problems is deforestation, which is the cutting down of trees on a massive scale. Forests are cleared for farming, for building cities, and for timber. When the trees are gone, the animals that depended on them for food and shelter lose their homes. The soil is also left exposed, which can lead to terrible erosion. Pollution from industries, oil spills in the Niger Delta, and plastic waste also contaminate the water and soil, poisoning the environment for all living things. The effects of these threats are devastating and far-reaching. When an ecosystem is harmed, it loses its biodiversity, which means the variety of life within it decreases. Species can become endangered or even extinct. For instance, the destruction of Nigeria's rainforests has put animals like the Cross River gorilla, one of the rarest primates in the world, at extreme risk. The loss of mangrove forests in the delta removes a natural barrier that protects coastal communities from storms. A damaged ecosystem is less able to provide the essential services we all rely on, such as clean air and water. The good news is that it is not too late to help. We have a shared responsibility to protect these natural treasures for future generations. Protecting nature is not just about saving animals and plants, it is about saving ourselves. We must recognize that our well-being is directly linked to the health of the planet's ecosystems. When we protect a forest, we are also protecting our source of clean air and a stable climate. When we clean up a river, we are ensuring a safe water supply for communities downstream. Every act of conservation is an investment in our own future. Everyone can play a part in this vital mission. We can start with small actions in our daily lives. We can reduce our use of plastic, dispose of our waste properly, and avoid wasting water and electricity. We can support conservation organizations that work to protect wildlife and restore damaged habitats. We can plant trees in our communities and educate others about the importance of nature. By working together, from individuals to governments, we can help heal our planet. We can ensure that the rich and diverse ecosystems of Nigeria continue to thrive, a wonderful and enduring gift for all time.